In this video I will show you how to clean your gold jewelry with toothpaste. Gold jewelry is timeless and elegant, but over time, it can lose its luster due to tarnish and daily wear. While there are numerous commercial jewelry cleaning products available, you might be surprised to find that a simple household item like toothpaste can effectively restore your gold jewelry's shine. In this guide, we'll provide detailed, informative, and helpful instructions on how to clean your gold jewelry with toothpaste. Materials you'll need: white toothpaste, without whitening agents or colored stripes. Soft toothbrush or an old, soft bristle brush. Warm water. Soft, lint-free cloth. Mild dish soap, optional. Steps to clean your gold jewelry. Prepare a cleaning solution. Begin by selecting a basic white toothpaste, as it is essential to avoid gel toothpaste or any toothpaste with added whitening agents or coloring. Squeeze a small amount onto a soft toothbrush or an old, soft bristle brush. You don't need a generous amount, just enough to cover the jewelry you wish to clean. Wet the jewelry. Before applying the toothpaste, rinse your gold jewelry with warm water. This step will help remove loose dirt and make the cleaning process more effective. Gently brush the jewelry. Employ the toothbrush with the toothpaste to gently scrub your gold jewelry. Concentrate on any tarnished or dirty areas. Use light, circular motions, and be cautious not to scrub too vigorously, as this can potentially scratch the gold. Rinse and repeat. After you've finished scrubbing the jewelry, rinse it thoroughly with warm water to remove any toothpaste residue. You can use your fingers to help remove the toothpaste. Inspect and repeat as needed. If your gold jewelry is still not as clean as you'd like, don't hesitate to repeat the process until it meets your expectations. Always maintain a gentle and patient approach to prevent any damage. Dry and polish. Following the cleaning process, use a soft, lint-free cloth to dry and polish your gold jewelry. This final step will help restore its shine and eliminate any remaining water spots or residue. Tips and cautions. Avoid using toothpaste on gold-plated jewelry, as it may lead to the gradual wearing down of the gold layer. It's crucial not to use toothpaste on jewelry with delicate gemstones, pearls, or soft gemstones like opals, as the abrasive toothpaste can scratch them. Stick to solid gold jewelry. If your jewelry has stubborn tarnish or dirt, consider using a specialized gold jewelry cleaner or consult a professional jeweler for advice. Alternatively, you can mix a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water and use a soft brush to clean your gold jewelry if you're concerned about toothpaste being too abrasive. Always conduct a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your jewelry to ensure that toothpaste doesn't cause any damage or discoloration. Summary: cleaning your gold jewelry with toothpaste is a cost-effective and straightforward method to restore its shine and remove tarnish. By following these steps and tips, you can enjoy wearing your gold jewelry with renewed brilliance. However, it's essential to exercise caution, particularly with delicate pieces, and seek professional assistance if needed. With proper care, your gold jewelry can continue to be a stunning and timeless accessory for years to come.